Okay, guys. Everybody knows there are 5 tasks. First task is about introduction. In first task, there are 2. Part 1 is introduction. Part 2 is talent. So obviously, last time I spoke to everyone. I told them how to prepare your introduction, how to work on your basic things, isn't it? It has to be more glamorous. Understood? It shouldn't be very kind of a boring kind of a thing. दूसरा ये about if you guys are going to dance, if you guys are going to sing, write it down. Keep a book for this Swag Academy of India and keep writing each and every point of yours. Your introductions, your talent. Talent में dance है तो कौन सा dance, कौन सी right? अच्छा, आप लोग सब सुन रहे हो मुझसे? Hand language. Perfectly, you can hear me. So I can just go on. कभी किसी को कुछ भी problem रहेगा तो on my screen I can see only 9 people. वहाँ पर घुमाना पड़ता है. तो please.
एको बहुत आ रही है.
सर वॉइस आ रही है बैकग्राउंड.
हाँ तो आप तब तक वो म्यूट कर लो.
अर्चना का शायद माइक म्यूट नहीं है सर.
कहाँ से तो अभी हो गई वॉइस क्लियर.
हाँ.
अब ये आप लोगों में से कौन Zoom पे ज्यादा मीटिंग्स कर चुका है?
I think all of us will.
Aparna, how we can get more than 9 people to watch on the screen? I can only see 9 people on my monitor. How you can get more?
Gallery view, yeah.
But the gallery view is giving only 9, not more than that.
Sir, on my laptop I can see everybody in gallery view.
Yeah.
मेरा भी तो ये iPad है. iPad is like a, what do you say?
Laptop is
Laptop
bigger.
size.
Laptop
iPad
is
Pro.
big. My laptop is bigger. I can see everybody.
Yeah.
Remote.
So can I. Yeah.
लेकिन मेरा iPad पे नहीं आ रहा है. I think if I go to my laptop, वहाँ से better होगा. चलो गाइस, मेरे को लगता है मेरे iPad पे सिर्फ 9 लोगों को देखना ही नसीब है. I think मेरे लैपटॉप पे से खोलूंगा तो I can see more people over there. करंट मीटिंग में कैसे जाऊंगा? आप लोग lucky. Next time I will do it from my laptop. Right now I can see only 9 people at one time on my iPad Pro. So guys, सुकन्या अपना कैमरा तो सीधा कर लो and face पूरा दिखाओ. Wonderful. So and Sakshi, I can't see you. अपना वो setup ठीक करो and mobile का कैमरा ठीक करो. Okay guys, hi Nadia. For you again, I'm gonna go with in English. There are 5 tasks. First task is about in two parts: introduction and talent. In introduction, you guys have to make it of 30 seconds minimum, maximum 1 minute. And the introduction has to be like more glamorous, more attractive, like you are. All of you are. आप लोग सब लोग जितने खूबसूरत हो उतना ही खूबसूरत आप लोगों का इंट्रोडक्शन होना चाहिए. You guys are very beautiful. Nadia, for you in English. So your introduction should be like more beautiful, more hotter, more sexier, more seductive, more. Oh my God, बोल बोल के थक गया. Tempting, जो भी है, isn't it? The greatest power on this planet is woman. So put that. Get some phrases which goes along with your personality. For example, for me, I always say, I love what I do and I do what I love. So this kind of a phrase goes with my personality. So for you guys, there should be something which goes with your personality. Everybody is unique, isn't it? Then try to make it not longer, not too shorter. 1 minute, 60 seconds, too good. With proper pauses, proper voice modulation. But that voice modulation and proper pauses, we will work it out on personal basis when you guys are ready with your introduction. Now your homework is first to write. Yes, Shaina.
Sir, it can be in Hindi or English or mixed.
Any language. If I can't understand your language, I can understand your body language.
Yeah.
I can see your confidence. I can see you are fake or you're सच बोल रही है कि झूठ बोल रही है ना?
जी.
Any language, boss, anybody. Just be yourself, simply. The way camera catches each and everything, minute details, same thing here. So, second part of task 1 is what? It's about talent. And being you women, you guys, like I've seen from past 20 years, most of the women, their best talent is like painting, dancing, singing. Look, basically, these are the most priority based in music, very less, which they perform during the beauty pageant contest and everything. So, guys, if you have thought, okay, I'm going to perform a dance number, to write down the dance number. For me, I need only 1 minute, but you can go on for the whole song. The song duration is like 3 to 4 minutes. What steps you're going to perform, what dress you're going to wear, what accessories you're going to wear, everything, write it down. And her rows every day, try to make a point, like just to go through that book, what you have written, so that automatically something new which can come out. Make it a habit, morning and evening, just go through it. Okay, task 1, introduction. Oh, I can change this line. I can remove this word and insert this word. I can say this line like this, like this, like this, like this. You work on those things. That's why I believe in writing. When I used to do fashion shows, for every fashion show, I used to have one paper. Like this one paper, I'm going to make the graph of the ramp flow chart, and then I'm going to start. I enter, take a 4-second pause. Then I go to the mid ramp, take a 2-second pause. Then I go to the head ramp, then I take an 8-second pause. Then from head ramp to mid ramp again. Then mid ramp to backstage, and then you halt, you exit. Then you re-enter. So this is like how I used to make my each and every entry, every sequence when I used to work for fashion shows. So that motto, that style, I use in everything. That's what because I don't teach you guys what I don't do. जो मैंने कभी नहीं किया वो मैं नहीं सिखाता. मैं वही सिखाता हूँ जो मैंने पर्सनली कर चुका हूँ और जिसमें मेरे को सक्सेस मिला है. और जिसमें मेरे को सक्सेस नहीं मिला वो मैं आप लोगों को नहीं सिखाता. It's very simple. And it's very natural. And it's very being about you. I'm not going to ask you guys to do something which you can't. It's very simple. Coming to task 2. Task 2 is what? Task 2 is about health, fitness, and self-defense. You guys, last time मैंने बताया था how you guys. This is like see. Coming to the point, a lot of people they ask me, why don't you have a question answer round in this? My question answer round present with you. If you guys have noticed, in every task, you and me are going to
Yes.
talk before the intro and after the intro.
Yeah.
Before the task performance and after the task performance. Isn't it?
Yes.
My format is totally different. In every way, from start till end, we are doing it question answer, Q&A chali raha hai. I haven't kept any particular section for it. In introduction also, before you start, hi, hello, I'm going to ask something. After you finish your introduction, I'm going to ask you something. Before you perform the talent, question, then answer. After the talent, question and then answer. Same goes for health and fitness. I'm going to ask you the questions, you're going to answer the questions. If I feel that you are saying, you guys are lying to me, I'm going to ask you to perform it. Show it to me. Show me those 100 push-ups if you can do it. Show me that plank. Show me that XYZ, whatever you guys are going to flaunt me. So guys, don't try to impress. Just express yourself. Be truthful, simple. I am not going to get impressed. I get very bad impression. Okay? So just try to be yourself. If you do it, you do it. If you don't do it, say, I don't do anything. Simple. I am blessed. Like I said, I'm blessed. I'm lucky. But when I know I'm getting out of shape, I work out. I punish myself. HIIT. Nadia, HIIT? High intensity workout. That's what I do. Because that's how you feel like, yes, you are punishing yourself. Super duper. Isn't it? Coming to the third one. Third one is what? Third one is about modeling. Before getting you guys into this pageant, what I used to tell people, if you guys are interested into modeling and acting, then this is the best platform. So this task 3 is about modeling. When you guys are going to wear Indian and Western, traditional, two different parts, East and West, India and America, 2 Western clothes, proper accessories, proper look. You should look. मतलब बोलते ना दिन और रात जमीन आसमान का फर्क वो दिखना बहुत जरूरी है. Write it down. Your clothing, your accessories, because this round is very important. I mean, right now, for example, I'm wearing this kurta because today is my Eid. If I come here, I'm going to ask you, okay, that's it. This is my pose. This is my look. This is like more of an attitude, more boss. And same thing, I can show it like this also. So body language changed. You have to my hands are like this.
Golden वाले.
See, basically, how you feel, na? That's how you're going to express. If you feel that character from inside, that emotion, then automatically your feeling will come out. There will be Michelle will be there, the photographer, but I'm the one who's going to be going on and on and on. Abhi, I want this, do this, do that. Like for example, you guys are right now, Aparna is sitting in that lavish chair. Still she's looking over there. She's not looking in my eyes. So I'm going to ask Aparna, उस कुर्सी के ऊपर खड़े हो, stand up from the chair. Go behind the chair, side में. Now that chair is your prop. Don't hide yourself. Don't hide behind. Yes, that chair is your prop. You use that chair with how you would prop. No, don't sit. Don't sit. Like for example, now she's standing. Abhi ye jo chair hai. This chair, you guys are like basically you have to use this prop.
2 minute Maya.
You have to play with the chair, Aparna. ताकि उसके बाद आप उसको खेलो उसके साथ. हाँ. Be little romantic. आपकी जो चेयर है उसको ऐसे पकड़ो, हक करो पीछे से, साइड से. हाँ, ऐसे. हाँ. This is like you're hiding yourself and you're holding it. And now same thing you can do when your chair is on the right side. I hope you guys are understanding. Like I can ask you to hold, go back, hold the curtain, stand here next to the door. अभी आप याशी, you are sitting on the sofa. याशी, अभी मैं बोलूँगा अभी आपके सोफे पे जो पीछे जो पिलो है उसको लेके now show me some poses. So that's how it's going to work with me. Now Nadia, you're sitting over there just like this. I'm going to ask you to go and stand next to that wall behind you. How are you going to pose with that wall? So these are the things which will show me how comfortable you are with those clothes on in two different attires. Coming to section 4. Section 4 is about makeup. I have written so much detailing like about nose. So basically, it's about your personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is very important because when we guys work, nobody should stink. I can't smell you guys from here, but I can see what I want to see. At least I can ask you, okay, show me proper your hair, your teeth, your eyes, your nails, your foot nails, your underarms. See, basically, everybody should learn in life that how you guys should always be, and plus being a woman, you should be always, what do you say, you should be like a fragrance. Whether I can see you online or whether I can see you offline. You guys should always, what do you say, महकते रहो खुशबू की तरह. सही है. सबसे ज्यादा काम करती है the women are the most hard working people, है ना. सबसे ज्यादा काम करते हो, घर का काम करते हो, बाहर का काम करते हो. You go out, you work, you come in, you work, get up early, sleep late, isn't it? But still, you are a woman, boss. You have to be beautiful and you have to be. अब उसको क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Blossom.
Like
Blooming.
Yeah,
That's
fragrance.
Nadia.
Radiant.
So this is about makeup. So you guys have to just know how you guys will do your personal makeup and everything. Because for me, a person should be always independent. Getting into this Flag Icon of India platform, this is where I'm going to teach. I want to make it sure every finalist they become self-dependent. For example, I'm going to teach you how you guys go for the audition. Yes, there are a lot of things. I'm going to start after this, the task 5. You guys should know the basics. Because the professional makeup artist will get at the shoot. Professional makeup artist will come and teach you also. But still, the more you practice, you become more perfect. You have got time. Try to be your best. Yeah, Yashi, my nakhun achhe hai. Green.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I notice everything. Sakshi, I can't see you, Sakshi. Sakshi Kajre. Camera kholo. Okay, guys. अभी मेरी कोई मदद कर दो. Monologue किसको याद है? Anybody who remembers monologue?
Yeah.
But now you remember the monologue? Unmute yourself. Unmute करो. मेरे को आपकी आवाज सुननी है.
Okay.
अपना वो monologue अपने हाथ में लो.
मैं?
हाँ, अपना एक ही यहाँ पे. अभी
Don't
उधर देखना, इधर देखना. monologue हाथ में लो.
Okay.
अच्छा, Nadia, for you, I've given you the English one. That translation was done by Rupa. Okay, thanks to her. She is an expert. She's a very good writer.
Hey,
Journalist.
Shabir, I don't have the monologue. So
कौन बोला?
Shayoni.
You don't have the monologue?
No, I don't have it.
Okay, don't worry. After this session, I will give it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Rabbi, this is Archana. Even I don't have monologue.
अरे it's okay. जिसके पास monologue नहीं हो, बाद में मेरे को WhatsApp पे पकड़ लेना. But लेकिन right now for the Zoom session, you can hear it out. चलो अपन ना सिर्फ read करना है. You have to just read it out.
Okay, बोलूं?
हाँ पढ़ो.
हाँ. रणविजय, जंग जीतने वाली. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के मैदान में उतरी हूँ, जो किसी जंग के मैदान से कम नहीं है. अपनी तकदीर आजमानी है और इरादा सिर्फ और सिर्फ जीत का है. ना मैं कोई स्टार डॉटर हूँ और ना ही किसी प्रोड्यूसर या डायरेक्टर की भांजी या भतीजी. बुलंद शहर से आई हूँ, अपने माँ बाप और शहर का नाम और बुलंद करने. इस वक्त मेरी जेब में सिर्फ 4,321 रुपए है, मगर आंखों में सपने और सीने में कुछ कर दिखाने की आग. ना तो मेरे पास कोई एक्टिंग की डिग्री है और ना कोई डिप्लोमा. अगर मेरे पास कुछ है तो वो है कॉन्फिडेंस, तूफानों से लड़ने की हिम्मत और इस जंग को जीतने का पूरा यकीन. पहले ही अपना नाम बता चुकी हूँ, रणविजयी, जंग जीतने वाली.
चलो सही है. एटलीस्ट यू अटेम्प्ट किया, आपने पढ़ा इसको, है कि नहीं गाइस? Nadia, you are clapping. Did you understand what she said? No. She said exactly what you have to say in English. And this was just what do you say, the reading process. So there are so many lot of people over here. जिनको मैं बता दूं, this monologue has अभी आपने सुना, क्या बोलते हैं, who was telling me right now, जिनके पास नहीं था मोनोलॉग.
मेरे पास
Shayoni.
नहीं है. Archana.
हाँ, तो जिनके पास मोनोलॉग नहीं था, अभी आपने ये मोनोलॉग सुना. अभी सुनने के बाद, after listening to this monologue, you guys know what this monologue meant. What is the purpose of this monologue? This purpose exactly fits everybody. You and me both fit exactly the character of that monologue. Because we all want to work in Bollywood. We all want to work in Hollywood. Basically, naam Hollywood and Bollywood hai. It doesn't make any difference. Basically, we want to work in media. We want to work in front of camera. Whether it's for the photo, whether it's for the video. That's bottom. Whether you shoot me from a professional camera or whether you shoot me from a mobile camera. I love to get shot. Isn't it? So, that monologue represents and says our story. How we feel. What is the determination, what is the dedication, how much dedicated we are, and how smart we are. Because that monologue is meant, that what do you say? That monologue is made for that person who went to a producer. He met somebody, maybe a director, maybe a super actor, maybe a producer, and he can't give an audition. What he's doing it, he is giving his audition in his style, in a smart way. Arey, come on, sir, you know now, my name is Ranvijay. Yeah. जंग जीतने वाला. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के मैदान में उतर रहा हूँ सर, और ये मैदान किसी जंग के मैदान से कम नहीं है. अपनी तकदीर आजमानी है और इरादा सिर्फ और सिर्फ जीत का. ना मैं किसी स्टार का सन हूं, ना किसी प्रोड्यूसर या डायरेक्टर का भांजा या भतीजा. सर बुलंद शहर से आया, अपने माँ बाप और अपने शहर का नाम और बुलंद कर. सर इस वक्त मेरी जेब में सिर्फ 4,321 रुपए. सर आंखों में सपने और सीने में कुछ कर दिखाने. सर वो ना तो मेरे पास वो ना किसी की एक्टिंग की डिग्री है, ना कोई डिप्लोमा. अगर कुछ है तो वो है कॉन्फिडेंस. तूफानों से लड़ने की हिम्मत. और इस जंग को, ये स्वैग आइकन ऑफ इंडिया का ये जो जंग है, ये इसका पूरा यही, अरे वो तो नाम तो पहले ही बता चुका हूँ भैया, शब्बीर अली, the founder and director of Sky Planning.
जंग जीतने वाला जंग
मैं तो जंग
जीतने
जीता हुआ हूँ
वाला
ना, मैं तो जंग जीता हुआ हूँ. I did my improvisation just to make you guys understand. अभी ये सेम चीज मैंने हंसते हंसते लाफ्टर, स्माइल, हैप्पीनेस उसके हिसाब से बोली. नाउ सेम चीज में थोड़ा सीरियसनेस से भी बोल सकता हूँ, या तो फिर दोनों को मिक्स कर दो इसके अंदर. You mix both the emotions, love, sad, aggression, isn't it? Happiness, and then proud. किसी को कुछ समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
आ गया सर,
आया सर.
सर
आ गया.
आ गया सर, समझ आ गया. सर बुलंदशहर का घर में मेरे मजाक बन रहा है बहुत आजकल.
शहर का मजाक बनना क्यों? बुलंदशहर तो है ही मजाक करने के लायक.
नहीं, मेरा बेटा कहता है मम्मी को एक दिन मैं बुलंदशहर ले जाऊंगा तब उनको समझ आएगा बुलंदशहर क्या होता है.
क्या होता है वो?
मैं बुलंदशहर वाली हो गई हूँ घर पे भी अब.
अच्छी बात है ना. गुड. सो गाइस,
कर रहे हो आप.
ये सब लोग, you guys have to memorize this whole paragraph, whole script, and then you guys have to work, and you guys have to suggest me, sir, you feel which are the best emotions goes in every sentence. See, at the end of the day, I want everybody to work. Apart from this 5 tasks, you guys have no other thing to work, and there is no hard work in it. This is only time, and only it's like you have to focus. It's all in the mind. Because before I told you, to take a point of your clothing, your accessories in the thing. The supportive task is already been done, set. Now you have to just concentrate on your performance. Whether it's introduction, whether it's your talent, whether it's your monologue, whether it's your makeup, you have to just concentrate on getting better and better. I want to see how you guys are going to represent. You're going to tell me, okay, sir, this monologue has different variations, so I'm going to do this. Maybe for my personality, it goes with one emotion, and I'm best at this, isn't it? So before the finale happens, try to work on different variations so that it's better for you. Once again, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to give you another chance. Finale, right now we are having a Zoom meeting like this. Finale will also happen like this. Understood? Once one person starts performing, that's it. उसके बाद आप कुछ भी बोल लो तो मैं नहीं सुनने वाला. जो रहेंगे वो देखेंगे, जो नहीं रहेंगे, see उस time पे, because I have to finish the task for every person. It doesn't matter. For example, Aparna is busy. She can't come for the Zoom meeting that time. But she knows that she has to give this task. So me and her gonna finish it off. But that's only one chance. That's why I keep on telling you guys, always work on yourself, work on yourself, work on yourself. You can say there are a lot of people who keeps मेरे को मैसेज करते रहते हैं. तेरा एक राज बैठा हुआ है. Yeah, he works so much on his look, on his character. Naina, she works on her character. Everybody. देखो मैं ना appreciate भी करता हूँ. बॉस अगर मेरे को गुस्सा आता है, साथ साथ प्यार भी करता हूँ. So I just keep telling you how, which I like. At the end of the day, I always tell I want the people who are dedicated, who has got determination and dedication in there. Otherwise, that simple some monologue anybody can just come up, याद कर लो और जाके पढ़ के बोल दो. But he can't be an actor, na? He can't be performing in front of the camera. See, like this, what I say is different. Trust me. Same monologue in front of the camera. Oh my God! Even I will also get 1 retake, 2 retakes. I'm not a superstar, boss. I'm not a brilliant actor. There are 2 types of actors. Adakar, Kalakar. Amir Khan is कलाकार, Amir Khan, guys, Amir Khan, Tom Hanks, Nadia. They are the artists, they are the actors, they work on the character. And like this, Salman Khan. Salman Khan is a adakar. We are adakar. When we walk, when people look at us, we are not good actors. We are blessed like that. Whatever we do, people accept it. But Amir Khan and in Hollywood are Tom Hanks and all these people, Steven Spielberg, those are the like hardcore performers. But both are successful. By the grace of Allah, I'm also successful in my field. But still, that's what I'm saying. You guys, you and me, whenever you guys want to catch me and talk to me about your monologue.
Sir,
बोलो कौन बोल रहा था?
sir,
Who is it?
सृष्टि।
बहुत नॉइस आ रहा है, बहुत
वॉइस आ रहा है बैकग्राउंड में।
मेरे वहां से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बॉस।
नहीं, आपका तो सही नहीं।
सृष्टि सर,
पूछो क्या पूछ रहे हो?
सर ये पूछना था कि वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन प्रैक्टिस के लिए हम आपको मोनोलॉग्स व्हाट्सएप पे लाइक वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करके सेंड कर सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं बाबा, मेरे को इतना भी बोल नहीं होने। First of all, I don't like it. I don't like it because that's a very easy way out, isn't it? थोड़ा बहुत हार्ड वर्क करो, लाइव आओ, है ना? आई टू आई कांटेक्ट में बोलो देख के मुझे। That's how you guys gonna learn. वो तो बहुत आसान है यार, अपना देख के अपने इसमें रिकॉर्ड कर लिया और भेज दिया। वेट करो, सर देखो, सर प्लीज हैव अ लुक, सर प्लीज हैव अ लुक एंड देन सेंड मी। I don't have time for this. I only respect and I only work on those people who respect me. I said in the beginning also, this is not a show where you have to perform all the tasks, record it and then send it to me. This is different format. I am different. My style, my execution is totally different. Isn't it? Because the winners are going to work with me in my web series. And you guys know who will become the winner? Who performs in every task very well. At the end of the day, he or she has to be a performer, boss, acting, sab kuch. Try to adjust in every way. That was a good thing. जिसने भी पूछा मुझसे कि like वो हम रिकॉर्ड करके भेजे, प्लीज यार मेरे को नहीं भेजना, मैं भेजोगे भी तो मैं उससे रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करने वाला हूँ। I'm not going to respond it. Be professional. Talk to me. Ask me. Okay, sir. What time we can chat? We can do. Bindas. I'm there. Give me some respect, boss. Guys, any more questions, or should I start the other training? No questions, Rupa?
No.
और सर एक चीज मुझे पूछनी थी, ये मोनोलॉग में हम कुछ मतलब शायना
हाय शायना
सर ये जैसे रण-विजय जंग जीतने वाली है, उसमें हम अपना नाम वैसे सब ऐड कर सकते हैं क्या?
ना कुछ भी ऐड नहीं कर सकते। That's the script, word to word.
Okay.
That's the dialogue.
Okay.
And Vijay, you have to feel that name. Why that name? Why the meaning of that name? What's the purpose of that script? You are an actor. You are going to perform that.
जी।
Good one. Archana Singh, आपका कैमरा ऐसा उल्टा क्यों है? अभी तक सीधा निकल पड़े हो। Yes, Shiny.
I have one question about the monologue. So, अगर script में gender male हो, तो हम क्या वो female में convert कर सकते हैं?
I will give the script of a female.
Okay.
There is only difference between name. Ran Vijay, Ran Vijayi. जंग जीतने वाला, जंग जीतने वाली।
ठीक है। Okay.
That's Nadia has got a good script. Thanks to Rupa. और अभी भी तुम्हारा मोबाइल ऐसे ही है। अच्छा,
इनका शायद रोटेशन ऑफ है, फोन का रोटेशन।
हॉरिजॉन्टल कर लीजिए उसे, मोबाइल में हॉरिजॉन्टल।
ओके,
क्या
क्यों हो रहा है?
आपके फोन का रोटेशन ऑफ है शायद अर्चना।
ये फिर से घूम रही है।
मैं एक्चुअली लैपटॉप लेकर बैठी थी, मैं लैपटॉप में मेरा कनेक्ट नहीं हो गया तो मुझे एनी हाउ मोबाइल लेकर बैठना पड़ा। सॉरी,
Everybody has got
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
pen हाथ में and book साथ में.
Yes, sir.
Right. Everybody listen to me and write.
Okay, sir.
इसका मतलब जो मैं पहले बोला था कोई लिख नहीं रहा था.
लिखा है
मैंने
सर।
लिखा है, मैंने
लिख
लिखा है।
रहे थे सर? Yes, sir.
I have written everything.
Nobody wrote anything.
Yes, sir.
जी 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 जी।
मैं मजाक कर रहा था.
अच्छे बच्चे हैं सर सारे।
डेडिकेटेड डेडिकेटेड।
Thank you very much, boss. Thank you. Sweet 16, how are you? Sweet 16, नैना जी, आप ही को है,
नैना जी।
और कौन है?
My
नैना जी का
internet
blood pressure बढ़
connection
गया
is
कल.
नहीं
She's still attending the what you say the Zoom meeting. देखो उनका determination देखो, dedication देखो.
Thank you.
She had a high BP yesterday.
Thank you.
लेकिन फिर भी वो मतलब इतना मतलब क्या है यार, क्या जोश है इनके अंदर. How you get the so much of energy?
Thank you, sir.
That's the power of a woman.
बता रहा है।
Okay guys, let's start. I
Yes, sir.
dash love myself.
Sir, repeat.
I dash love myself. Dash में अपना नाम लिख दो. Write your name in dash. Fill in the blanks. Nadia, fill in the blanks. I, Nadia, love myself. I, Shabbir, love myself.
Yes, sir. Done.
This is the one sentence which you guys have to every day homework. This one particular sentence. Have you heard about Navrat's 9 emotions? Just Google it. चलो Google तो बाद में करोगे, मैं अभी बता देता हूँ. अच्छा, लेकिन you guys know that there are different emotions.
जी जी।
है ना? So basically, counting is according to the numbers. We have got 9 emotions. So abhi right now, what sentence I gave you? Like for example, I, Shabbir, love myself in those 9 different emotions. First one is like love. I, Shabbir, love myself. Sorrow. I, Shabbir, love myself. I Shabbir, love I, Shabbir, love myself. Three. Round. I, Shabbir, love myself. I, Shabbir, love myself. Yeah. I, Shabbir, love myself. Yeah. I, Shabbir, love myself. I, Shabbir, love myself. So this were the 9 emotions. First one was love, second one was sorrow, third one was laughter, fourth one was anger, fifth one was fear, उसके बाद disgusting, then उसके बाद surprise, then surprise के बाद सीधा peace. लिखा आप लोगों ने, मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ. 9 emotions, now rest. First one, love, sorrow, laughter, anger, heroism, courage. Hero, for you guys, heroism, courage. Then fear. After fear, disgusting. After disgusting, surprise. Then peace. Peace is the best. Nelson Mandela, Mother India, Mother Teresa. So guys, I have shown you the practicality of that first one important sentence. And that sentence represents each and every one of you. Because I Shabir, so I Shaina, I Aparna, I Nadia, I Sushti, I Deepa. It goes according to your personality and your thing. Understood? Every day. Guys, every day. This one sentence in 9 different emotions. Looking into the mirror. Play. समझ में आया? See, there is nothing to remember. There is nothing to memorize. Only few words. I, Shabir, love myself. Only 4 words. Out of those 4 words, one is your own name. I is I. Love is love. Again, me. Selfish, myself. Become selfish. But those 2 or 4 words feeling in 9 different emotions. Everyday practice. When you practice those 9 emotions, automatically when you work on modeling, whether you work on acting, whether you do whatever, introduction, XYZ, these things will work. This will automatically, this part will be connected over there. This was my first opening thing. With love and with emotions. Now ask me any questions. कोई सवाल, कोई जवाब चाहता है मुझसे? रूपा, नेक्स्ट टाइम से थोड़ा देख लेना आपका पीछे का बैकग्राउंड, है ना? थोड़ा ग्लैमरस. यू शुड, जितनी खूबसूरत आप हो उतना खूबसूरत मेरे को बैकग्राउंड भी चाहिए.
यस वो एक्चुअली
सुकन्या, कैमरा हिलते हुए रहना चाहिए. Always remember कि एक जगह पे एक everybody buy one stand and वहाँ पे लगा दो. Buy one छोटा सा लाइट या तो दूसरे की मोबाइल की लाइट. Use a torch light of another mobile for your face light. But always try to keep the background a little bit more glamorous because it's not for me, it's for you. You are going to be आपका वीडियो एडिट होगा. The more beautiful you, जितने खूबसूरत आप ऐसे दिखते हो वैसे बैकग्राउंड के साथ और ज्यादा लाइट वाइट्स के साथ मेकअप करके प्रॉपर्ली.
वो मैं अभी मीठापुर गांव में हूँ.
मैं पॉइंट नहीं कर रहा, सिर्फ सिखा रहा हूँ. तो नथिंग पर्सनल गाइस.
सर
यहाँ पे तो सब सही है. भावना फेस पे लाइट. सबसे ज्यादा चमक कौन रहा है? एकदम गोरा गोरा. राधिका चमक रही है, एमिली चमक रही है, याशी चमक रही है, अल्फांसा नायडू नो लाइट, और राज चमक रहा है हीरो.
थैंक यू भाई.
और शाइना चमक रही है, अपर्णा चमक रही है.
आप चमका रहे हो सर.
चली गई लगता. देखो गाइस, अभी कैन यू इमेजिन वी आर almost 30 finalists.
Yes.
From all the 5 categories. कितने लोग आए?
20.
जो नहीं आया उनका बैड लक. Not help you.
Sir, can I ask?
Any more questions?
Yes, sir. Can I ask? मंजू.
हाँ पूछो ना मंजू.
सर, जो अभी आपने बोला आई शब्बीर लव माई सेल्फ, सर एक बारी आप उसको करेज में करके दिखाएंगे प्लीज.
करेज हीरोइज्म ना, लाइक अ स्टाइल. एकदम हीरो के हिसाब से मैं बैठा था ना.
या
हाय
या
मंजू. आई शब्बीर लव माई सेल्फ. No aggression, no anger, nothing. Heroism is like more confident and more सीना चौड़ा करके like a king.
Okay, sir.
Very confident, most time. Whether it's my first interaction, but still I am a hero. I don't underestimate myself. आप मंजू आप बोल के दिखाओ.
Hi, Shabbir.
शब्बीर नहीं मंजू. ये लगा था.
ज्यादा फॉलो कर लिया आपको इन्होंने.
ये लगा ही था मंजू. एक चीज का मैं on my second point, everybody has heard about possible and impossible. बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं from the childhood days. You guys are listening to this words possible, impossible, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
On your book, write it down.
Yes.
I dash am dash possible. I dash am dash possible. Break, break, break. I break am break possible.
Yeah.
सर रिपीट करेंगे प्लीज.
I
dash
dash
हाँ
am.
दो डैश हैं.
हाँ 2 dash.
I के बाद dash am के बाद dash. If possible.
फिर possible.
Yeah.
Basically, I have broken that word impossible को I am possible. Impossible word तो पता है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Impossible के word in impossible break that word. Remove separate I and separate am. I am possible.
Yes.
I am possible. There is nothing called impossible in this world.
Right.
If God wills, everything is possible. If He doesn't will, then nothing is possible. Same thing. लिखा आप लोग ने सबने?
Yes, sir.
जी सर.
I and M. This is I and this is M. This is one group of talent. I on above I and M, right talent.
Right what?
I and M is one group. Above I and M, right talent. TALENT, talent.
Okay.
Possible. Possible is one group. Above possible, right? Marketing.
About what? Repeat, sir. So possible के ऊपर
Possible
Marketing.
लिखा आप लोग ने?
जी.
Yes, sir.
टैलेंट के ऊपर 20%. मार्केटिंग के ऊपर 80%. क्या डिजाइन बना? I am possible. I am talent. Possible is marketing. Talent is 20%. Marketing is 80%. कुछ समझ में आया? Again, I am possible. Talent, marketing. Marketing about 20-80 का ratio. That means for 100%, talent is necessary and marketing is necessary. Marketing is what about your PR? Understood?
Yeah.
दोनों के दोनों साथ में रहना जरूरी, तब जाके वो 100% होगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, got it.
Coming down below M. Below M, write me. Below me, write myself. Below M, write me, M-E, me. And below me, write myself, M-I-S-E-L-F. Again, I'm going to tell you, I am possible. I am possible.
Yeah.
Above that, we wrote 20%, 80% skill and talent, marketing. Above impossible. Now below impossible, and we have to write. Below M, we have to write me and myself.
Me, myself.
Yeah.
And below possible. I think किसी का तो somebody please switch off the thing यार.
यस सर, बिल्कुल सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
वॉइस आ रही है.
याशी तुम्हारे को मोबाइल आ रही है आवाज?
No sir, it was muted.
हाँ बंद करो.
वापस आ रही है किसी की.
हाँ. याशी तुम बंद करो, तुम्हारे वहाँ से आवाज आ रही शायद.
It's mute sir.
हाँ बंद करो. Now everybody can hear me?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Okay, I am possible. Above I am possible, we have wrote something else, 20%, 80% marketing and understood? Talent. Now below M we have written me and myself. Me and myself below M. Coming to possible. Below possible, there is a 3 sentence. First sentence. I will practice until I am the best. I will practice until I am the best. I will practice until I am the best. Until I am, highlight it. Highlight that until I am. Again, I'm saying I will practice until I am the best. Second sentence, I will practice to remain the best. I will practice to remain the best. I will practice to remain the best. To remain, highlight. Coming to the third sentence, I will practice because I am the best. I will practice because I am the best. I will practice because I am the best. Because I am. Third sentence ka highlight. Because I am. Okay. Come on, Shaina, read it out.
I will practice until I am the best. I will practice to remain the best. And I will practice because I am the best.
In this 3 sentences, guys, I'm going to teach you how you will do your voice modulation. Because this sentence ke andar I just told you those pointers. Until I am, because I am, to remain.
Yes.
I will practice until I am the best. I will practice because I am the best. I will practice to remain
The best.
I will practice because
I am the best.
I am the best.
Because.
You have to exaggerate that word. You have to just put that pressure, put that, what do you say, the
emphasize on that.
Because every sentence has a heart. Every sentence has a heart. Like we have a heart, every sentence is a heart. In the heart of that sentence, first sentence is until I. Second one, to remain. Third one, because. Yashi, पढ़ के सुनाओ.
I'll practice until I am the best. I'll practice to remain the best. I'll practice because I am the best.
बंद करो. तुम्हारे वहां से आवाज बहुत खराब आ रही है। नहीं तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं खराब है, वो what do you say that noise of
Yeah.
माइक का
माइक की आवाज खराब आ रही है। Come on नैना, Sweet 16 पढ़ो। अभी now from now onwards you can tell your husband and your son to listen instead of Bulandshahr. Now you have got something else.
ये बहुत जगह जोक फैल गया बुलंदशहर का, छोड़ो।
अरे जोक अबे हर रोज जब ऐसे पढ़ोगे ना तो अब आपका हस्बैंड भी कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा।
बहुत जगह फैल गया
ये बुलंदशहर जाएगी कि प्यार में पढ़ेगी कि नवरस में पढ़ेगी? वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन करेगी।
ठीक है सर, I'll just read it. I will practice until I am the best. I will practice to remain the best. I will practice because I am the best. ठीक नहीं था?
अर्चना तो गायब ही हो गई, अविनाश भी गायब
नहीं
हो गया।
मैं हूँ
सर मैं हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं भी हूँ सर।
हाँ तो फिर आप लोग का वीडियो क्यों चला जाता है?
सर इधर नेटवर्क का थोड़ा ये है, इसके लिए मैं ये कर रहा हूँ। सर अविनाश, सर अविनाश।
मुझको का प्रॉब्लम है।
अरे नहीं सर। इसलिए मैं ऑफ कर रहा हूँ, तो क्योंकि वॉइस पे थोड़ा
वेरी लेस पार्टिसिपेंट्स, जबकि फाइनलिस्ट इतने सारे हैं ना, सबको डिस्क्वालीफाई कर देता हूं।
19 आ रह गए।
हां 19 है,
रह गए 19।
सबको डिस्क्वालीफाई कर देते हैं। नेक्स्ट कल की मीटिंग में जो लोग नहीं आएंगे ना,
सर उनको बोलिए उनके मार्क कट हो जाएंगे, अपने आप आ जाएंगे सारे। सर उनको यही बोलना है, मार्क कट होंगे फिर सारे आ जाएंगे।
चलो राज।
यस सर।
सर अभी भी आ रही है आवाज?
मेरे को वो फर्स्ट वाला I Raj love myself in 9 emotions.
9 emotions. Okay sir. I Raj love myself. I Raj love myself. I Raj love myself.
Nice.
I Raj love myself.
Very good.
I Raj love myself. I Raj I love myself. I Raj I love myself. I Raj I love myself. I Raj love myself. Thank you sir.
Very nice, very nice.
Superb.
सर बोले तो पता चले।
अच्छा, now one more from the ladies behind. Who is gonna volunteer? Or should I ask anyone? Volunteer करेगा कि should I ask someone? है किसी में हिम्मत? चाइना अकेली हिम्मत करती है यार।
सर हिम्मत कर लेंगे।
चलो ओके शाइना
जी। I Shaina love myself. 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 Try किया try.
क्या हो गया? सब कुछ रिस्पॉन्स ही करते तुम लोग देख के हैरान हो गए।
वाह 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 वाह।
किया सब
Good effort.
Very good, Shaina.
Thank you.
मुझे तो
thank
म्यूट
you.
कर रखा है, मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकती हूँ, बोलने के लिए अनम्यूट करना पड़ता
एक और जन
Yes,
कौन?
I'm Sabu.
एक one more who?
Hello.
Nobody want to do it? I want one more person.
सर आप ही चूज
I
करो.
will.
कोई तो करो.
Manju, I will try.
Good.
कहाँ है मंजू?
So
Galaxy.
shall I?
Start.
Start करूं?
हाँ. सब लोग वेट कर रहे हैं.
I,
I-
Manju, love myself. I, Manju, love myself. I love Manju myself. I, Manju, love 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 myself.
Yay!
That's
Very good, very good.
Good try.
Yeah, good.
just try. So
एक बात नोट किया.
I just try.
She tried good. चार वर्ड्स की स्क्रिप्ट थी. सेकंड इमोशन में अपना नाम भूल गई.
एक्चुअली आपको देख के ना थोड़ा जोश आ गया था, तो मैंने कहा मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ.
थैंक यू सो मच. लेकिन जोश तो इसको देख के आना चाहिए था. इसने बहुत अच्छा किया. सबने अच्छा किया. थैंक यू सो मच. एवरीबॉडी डिड वेल.
Yes, sir.
इसने कुछ बोला?
Yeah, I will try.
क्या हुआ?
मैं भी ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ.
कौन? नाम तो बताओ अपना.
रेडमी.
नौ लोग दिख रहे.
सर वीडियो नहीं आ रहे मेरे.
नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं लैपटॉप पे देखूंगा तो मेरे को लगता है सब लोग देखने मिलेंगे.
नहीं सर, मैं वीडियो में नहीं दिख रही हूँ.
बोलो.
I, Sagu, love myself. I, Sagu, love myself. I, Sagu, love myself. I, Sagu, love myself. Hi, I, Sagu, love myself. Thank you.
Yay! Good, good.
Very nice.
Thank you.
साबू सबसे पहले अपना मोबाइल का कैमरा ऐसा कर दो.
Okay.
और ऊपर से जब whenever you guys come on what you say live on the Zoom ना, तो सब लोग अपने अपने नाम वहाँ पे डाल देंगे. And मेरा iPad में मेरे को सिर्फ 9 स्क्रीन दिख रही है. पता नहीं मेरे को मेरे लैपटॉप पे देखना पड़ेगा. नैना you can watch everybody.
Yes sir.
Yes.
सबको एक ही स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है आपको.
हाँ जी. 18 participants.
नसीब वाली हो तुम तो यार।
फैशन में मोबाइल फोन नहीं यूज करना आता।
ये तो भी करना चाहिए यार, मेरे को 18 सब पे सब देखना चाहिए।
आपके आईपैड पे 9 दिख रहे हैं सर सिर्फ आपको?
हाँ
समझ गए मैं क्या कह रही हूँ कंटेस्टेंट्स?
किसी ने नहीं सुना मैं।
इशारा ही काफी होता है राज,
समझदारों के लिए।
समझदार लोग इशारा ही समझ जाते हैं।
समझने वालों के इशारा काफी है।
आप लोगों को मैं एक एक्सरसाइज बताता हूँ मैं
जी।
गाइस आप लोग अमेरिका में भी देख रहे हो, यू नो हाउ यू गोल्फ, हाउ।
अरे बाप रे,
और मम्मी बहुत डांटेगी ये करके करेंगे तो।
डरना नहीं।
It's good for your jawline. It's good for your jawline.
ओके सर। सर आपका वीडियो चला जाता है बार बार स्क्रीन से।
मेरा?
हाँ सर।
नहीं जा रहा।
वीडियो चला गया था सर बीच में और
सर
ऑडियो भी
बीच में चला जाता है
आपका
सर बार-बार।
कनेक्शन की प्रॉब्लम होगी।
नहीं मैं तो दिख रहा, मेरे को तो चल रहा है।
जिनका जा रहा है उनकी
गायब हो
कनेक्शन की
जाती
प्रॉब्लम होगी।
है।
तो एंड वन मोर एक्सरसाइज।
सर फिर से करके दिखाइए, अभी आप दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
Howling, and there was one more exercise which I want to show it to you. For the voice, for the bass. अपन मुझको आवाज सुननी नहीं है। Do it. Don't want to hear the voice. See, this is the basically this exercise will give you bass, and especially when you go to the seashore, when you get that salty air. Sea face में जाओ, when you go to the sea face, when you stand next to the beach, and you do this exercise, facing towards the water. You just open your mouth fully and then you get your bass. Just jawline exercise. See, apart from howling, there's a different exercise for your jawline. Let me give you some little tips about the fitness wala. If you guys remember last time I told you, for me there are 3 pillars for fitness. So those 3 pillars are: first is spiritual, second is training, third is diet.
Third is what?
What is?
Diet.
Second is
Training. Yes sir.
First one is spiritualism.
Spiritual. Yes sir.
My transformation depends on these 3. These are the 3 strengths. Spiritualism का मैंने आप लोग को बताया. Always be grateful. Thank you. When you wake up,
thank you.
Yes
you
sir.
start your day with thank you. 2 little words, but that's the life changers. That can change your life. Only those 2 words. Second comes training. Nadia knows very well the importance of training. HIIT, high intensity. Over here we say HIIT like high intensity, how intense you work. Basically for me it's like punishment. I don't use that word like high intensity too much, but like I tell myself like I have to punish this much. I have to exert myself. I have to go beyond my limits every day when I do something. But because every day you can't do the whole body exercise. Whatever exercise when you plan, always make up your mind. Okay, whatever you're going to do, you have to go a little bit extra. Third comes the diet. Third comes the diet where you guys going to be like, everybody knows what is good to eat, what is bad to eat, but just get into regular good habits. Have lots of hot water, warm water. Always keep yourself hydrated, isn't it? Eat well. And for me, it's not like I always suggest people to go on a diet, don't eat kind of a thing. Whatever you feel like eating, just go and do it. There's only one life. Live, eat, sleep, love, pray. Simple funda of life. Don't starve. Don't starve. Feed. In fact, feed the hungry. Yeah, coming to this point, today, because of you all the finalists, because of you all, today I started the bit of charity, feeding the hungry.
Wow, very nice.
Good, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to you all, because of you all, whatever the money I got, I started doing the charity. So that's what I mean to say. Like always,
Great, sir.
do whatever you want to do, you just do it. Don't starve, don't count your calories, don't count anything. Numbers are always bad. Numbers are always bad. There is no body say the happiness, there is no always stress, there is no satisfaction. You should always like a Kara hang attitude, always be like a jovial, always be like a fun-loving, happy person. People should see and feel jealous. I'm so stressed and wild. How come she's so much happy? When I've got so much, I've blessed with so many things, but still I'm not happy and she's so much happy. People should see like this. There was what do you say? In India, there was a TV called Onida. Neighbors,
Yes.
yeah. This funda should like we are the brand. You yourself is a brand.
Yeah.
Every neighbor of yours should envy you. And your family should be proud of you.
Yes, sir.
Perfectly fit, Onida TV. We all are Onida TV.
सर ने हमें इंश्योरेंस बना दिया.
Above all, being a woman, which I always use, Nike. Nike brand, perfectly fit for a woman. Just do it. Be a Nike woman. Just do it.
Wow.
Because a woman, she always sacrifices, she does a lot of things, and she knows how to do everything.
और बीमारी में भी खड़े होके काम करती है.
देखो,
Very true.
blood pressure होने के बावजूद भी कितना काम करती है.
Very true.
हाँ. Facial exercise. अभी आप लोग मेरे को देख के हंसना मत.
पहले हंस रहे हैं.
आप लोग को भी देखो.
पहले हंस रहे हैं.
अभी जैसा है कि I taught you about the fitness के बारे में. Fitness में like you guys have to do exercise. Whatever is good for your body and what you want out of it. Everything is in your mind. Change your mind, change your body. It's very simple.
Okay, sir.
My transformation mantra for all my clients, for all my friends is simple. It's all in your mind. Change your mind and change your body. Perfectly fine. Eat what you like. You know what is good, what is bad. Everything has got a limit. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming back to our acting, our performance, our expression, our emotion. These are the face. Always keep your face. Once exercise like before every scene, before every shot when I go for shooting and all, like in front of the makeup room, I stand. Wake up your facial tissues. क्या मैंने slap मारा. Nadia, you understood what I'm trying to say? I stretched, I exercised my facial tissue, and I slept. Wake up, wake up, wake up. That's how you wake up. But there's still more to go. Now, the mantra, the trump card. Saw the face?
I didn't hear.
I didn't see properly.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath. Hold your breath.
Okay.
Red.
Make a face. This is how you have to practice every day, so that your facial tissues always keep on working. Because after when we go for the shoot, when we apply makeup, our face becomes very static, very plastic. Camera can see, people can see. Arey, oh my God, so much of makeup. It's not about women, it's about boys also, men also. It goes for both. So because of too much of makeup, we are stiff. Boys, they do a lot of gym, they take injections, their body becomes stiff. Girls, they put so much of Botox, so much of makeup, their face becomes stiff. That's a fact, that's a truth, that's a reality.
Yes.
But the guys who are natural, always be natural. That's why I always say, basic makeup is the perfect makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, hold, apne gaal. Simple. And now when you perform, when you do all the facial expressions and all this in facial distortion, distort karke, then you make your face more lively. It shows because it glows. And the camera lens catches each and everything inside your body. What you think, what you are feeling, camera catches those things. So you have to feel that. You have to wake up everything. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think today we'll end up the session over here.
Okay.
And then tomorrow again we'll meet up at 7. Before we go, let me ask you guys, is this time comfortable? Because I thought ki India and America both this is the best time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
India के लिए ठीक है.
Absolutely comfortable.
Yes, yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Comfortable है.
Comfortable है.
इससे थोड़ा जल्दी कर सकते हैं?
नहीं सर.
Oh, this time is fine. 7 p.m. is absolutely fine.
ये okay.
Yes, sir, ये timing.
This is perfect.
Sir, this is perfect.
सब लोग बोल रहे हैं perfect है.
Saturday को कोई TV serials भी नहीं आते.
Oh my God.
So guys, tomorrow we'll meet up again.
भाई अभी 9 बजे भी लाइव हो ना आप इंस्टा पे?
आज तो मेरा 9 o'clock आपको लाइव हो गया ना.
कुछ तो बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट आने वाला है.
That's American time. Because tomorrow night अमेरिका का होगा, मेरा मंडे मॉर्निंग होगा 6 बजे.
आज नहीं है कुछ. नो,
मेरा मंडे मॉर्निंग 6 बजे. आज ही कल सुबह 6 बजे.
कल सुबह 6 बजे.
कल सुबह सॉरी, हाँ तो मैं भी भूल गया. फर्स्ट है. हाँ तो आज ही उनका रात रहेगी, मेरी कल सुबह की रहेगी, सुबह 6 बजे.
तो हमें रिकॉर्डिंग भेज देना if possible.
तो पोस्ट तो रहेगा ही ना, तो पोस्ट पे देख लेना. मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock. लेकिन आप तो उठ जाते हो, तो आपको क्या देगा प्रॉब्लम है?
किसको बोल रहे हो?
रिकॉर्डिंग देखेंगे.
किसको बोल रहे हो? मुझे?
हाँ ऑब्वियसली.
वो ब्लड प्रेशर की वजह से मैं जल्दी जाग रही थी. इंसोम्निया हो गया था.
ब्लड प्रेशर हाई कर दो ना, जाग.
Oh my God.
So guys, tomorrow again we meet up, and tomorrow I hope if you guys have any questions, so write it down and ask me. सुकन्या, अपने कैमरा पे काम करो, अपने कैमरा का लुक पे काम करो, अपने चेहरे पे काम करो. I want to see you guys much more better every day, because the more I see you guys, the more I feel happy, and I can do the corrections and everything.
ये मेरा बैकग्राउंड ठीक है?
Before I leave, one second.
सर ये बैकग्राउंड ठीक है?
सब लोग सही लग रहे हैं?
सर बैकग्राउंड ठीक है मेरा? यही रहेगा शाम की क्लास के लिए?
हाँ। जिसके पास स्टैंड नहीं, वो छोटा सा स्टैंड ले लो यार।
मेरे पास
मैंने स्टैंड लिया, वो सोफे पे पड़ा हुआ है।
मेरा स्टैंड भी यूजलेस हो रखा है इस समय।
उसकी लाइट लटकती है मेरे स्टैंड की।
क्या एक्सक्यूजेस है सबके पास?
जेन्युइन एक्सक्यूजेस हैं, जेन्युइन एक्सक्यूजेस हैं। लाइट लटक रही है, उसको लेटा के रख दिया सोफे पे।
तुम्हारा कैमरा फुल स्क्रीन है अपना ये you are interacting with me through your mobile or through your Apple iPad?
स्क्रीन है, टीवी स्क्रीन।
कौन सा एप्पल का?
नहीं, अपना लाइक टीवी स्क्रीन रहता है ना, वॉल टीवी।
लेकिन कैमरा कौन सा है जो मेरे को कैच कर रहा है? बिकॉज आई कैन सी यू फुल। आप कौन से कैमरा से आ रहे हो यहाँ पे? मोबाइल के थ्रू आ रहे हो कि आईपैड के थ्रू आ रहे हो?
HD 108 OP Logitech।
I'm saying you are
मोबाइल है या लैपटॉप है?
सर इसका स्मार्ट टीवी होगा।
हाँ, लैपटॉप से।
Connected to the smart TV. Connected to the smart TV.
Because you are like full screen, बाकी लोगों का half screen, Nadia full screen. See, there is a lot of difference between the full screen and a half screen. Nana laptop has a full screen. Okay. Shani Das full screen. Wonderful. Acha, that means that if you guys use your laptop, I can see you fully. Full
Yes.
screen. That's what, because of my iPad, I can see myself in full screen. Okay. Because iPad output is much better than the laptop. But tomorrow I will try logging from the laptop so that I can see all the 18 together.
और मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर अपग्रेड किया।
The lesser the better, isn't it? The competition will be less for you guys. मेरा कुछ लॉस तो होता नहीं है। वैसे भी मेरे को तो सिर्फ गिनती के विनर्स चाहिए ना। Every category has one winner.
आज ही डिक्लेयर कर दो ना विनर फिर।
जितने कम होंगे तो उतना आसान रहेगा। आप लोग के लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा। And चलो guys, बाय देखते हैं। आज कितना is almost 9, almost 2 hours.
Yeah.
I think this much of sessions is more than enough.
जी।
Yes,
शबीर सर, ईद मुबारक सर आपको।
हाँ, ईद मुबारक।
आप सबको ईद मुबारक।
ईद मुबारक।
Yes, अपना।
Excuse me.
जी बोलो।
Shabir ji, can you show that light that you showed us that day? I mean, something circle का वो कुछ तो था. I just want to show to my husband because I don't know the name of that light. What do you call that? That light stand something?
Ring light.
Yeah.
Ring light. Ring light.
ये देखो नादिया के पास है।
Amazon पे मिलेगा आपको। Just do ring light stand.
So what do you call that? Ring light.
Ring light is a stand.
Ring light.
Okay. Thanks.
On WhatsApp I will send you the link.
Perfect.
Perfect. मेरे पास तो बहुत लाइट्स है।
Screen. Mirror.
That's a good idea.
ये भी मिरर पे लाइट यहाँ पे भी है। कभी ये साइड की लाइट यूज करता हूँ, कभी वो साइड की लाइट यूज करता हूँ। कभी अगर एक्स्ट्रा लाइट चाहिए तो एक्स्ट्रा लाइट की रखी हुई है। जी मेरे पास 3 लाइट है क्योंकि मैं बहुत काला हूँ। इतना खूबसूरत इतना गोरा नहीं हूँ तो लाइट्स ओवर हियर to look more presentable. और कोई सवाल है किसी को तो पूछो मेरे को। We have got time. Any queries, any questions, ask me. Shoot. अभी मौका है।
सर आपने आर्मी में ट्रेनिंग ली है?
क्या
सर को राइफल ट्रेनिंग आती है, सब हम ये भी सीखेंगे।
मुझे थोड़ा एक सवाल है। जैसे आपने कहा कि artists are 2 types, like one is kalakar and one is adakar. So is it possible that kalakari and adakari can come together? I mean, they both can be, I mean, like
The best example is Amir Khan and Salman Khan, and they both are pole apart.
इसमें से
Amir
कलाकार
Khan and
कौन है?
Salman Khan, you know Bollywood na Aparna.
Yeah, I got the example, but my question is like,
They can't be together.
huh? No.
Oh, they both are poles apart. See, Amir Khan is also Adakar and Kalakar both into together. Salman Khan is also Adakar and Adakar. They both are into one person because they are both are superstars. They both are good actors. They both are good. What do you say? The crowd pullers. But I mean to say, there are two categories of that artist. One artist is like they get into the depth of the character. One artist is like, "Arey, forget the character. I am the character.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I do, I do." Like Amitabh Bachchan, जहाँ से वो खड़ा हो जाता है, लाइन वहाँ से शुरू होती है बहुत.
Yes, sir.
Personality ऐसी है ना.
These are the examples I'm telling you. They both are actors, but just a difference. If you are beautiful, you have more chances of becoming a Ada.
Okay.
Adakar, isn't it? Like Rekha.
Yeah.
Shabana Azmi, Kala.
कलाकार.
Yeah.
Madhuri Dixit.
अदाकार.
Ada.
The Shri Devi, she's my favorite.
Vidya Balan.
कलाकार.
कलाकार.
Now you guys know understood automatically. आप ये देखते हो कितना difference है. और कोई सवाल? Any more questions and answers?
How do you define Ada and Kala? How do you differentiate between them, sir? Ada and Kala, how do you differentiate between them?
We don't differentiate in anything. I just gave you the example. You guys, according to your performance, you will stand out like that. If you get into the character, core of the character, if you understand, and you feel perform mind-bogglingly within that character, you become that sort. Understood? And if you perform with your style, with your different thing, you still, if people like it, then you become a See, both are stars here. In both the ways, you have to perform, you have to work hard. You have to think. सोच डालनी पड़ेगी, practice करना पड़ेगा. You have to see all those lines. I haven't started yet the monologue of pause, voice, diction, take. And a diction there's a lot of things. So I think today I was expecting that all the finalists will come. So what I will do tomorrow, apart from my other training, tomorrow we'll go into the depth of the monologue.
Yeah, okay, sir.
How to take a pause, how to take a voice modulation and everything. We'll work half session totally dedicated to monologue. And half 1 hour totally dedicated to our extra learning. Okay, guys, any more questions? Ask me.
Sir, scheduling questions. I don't know if I joined late and you already told, so apologize for that. But what is the overall schedule? Every weekend we are going to have these calls, and then what are all the dates for the tasks and everything?
Before 19th of August, the finale starts.
Okay.
19th of August, the finale starts. Before the 19th of August, we have got only 3 weeks.
Sir, voice, please.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Before the 19th of August, we have got only 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Out of those 3 weeks, we have got in 1 week we have got 2 sessions, Saturday and Sunday. That makes only 6 sessions for a group.
Okay.
Personalized one-on-one training sessions. It's up to you, not up to me. I'm not going to call anybody to train.
Okay.
To ask you whether you are ready, whether you're not ready. I have given you a personal number. I have told you you're my life member. Everything.
Okay.
It's up to you how you want to get more out of me.
Okay.
Just it's very practical. Today I'm feeling so bad. I was expecting the whole bunch of crowd over here. Because it's nice common sense. It's only going to happen only on weekends and plus only for 2 to 3 hours. Until 19th of August, we have got only 3 weeks, 3 weekends, only 6 sessions.
Okay.
And still there's
Thank you.
nobody is turned out. So tomorrow what I will do, tomorrow we'll work on the monologue. From 19th of August there is no training, boss.
ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है कि
of August is going to be one-on-one basis पे और whether on a group session, whether according to your availability, we will start performing the task.
Okay. Got it. Thank you, sir.
और कुछ सवाल है किसी को पूछना पूछो।
मैं ये बोल रहा था कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं इसमें 18 से 19 लोग ज्वाइन करते हो मैं मतलब मुझे
नहीं राज I can't hear you. अभी बोलो राज।
अब सर आवाज आ रही है सर?
हाँ।
मैंने कहा कहीं सर ऐसा तो नहीं इसमें 18 या 19 ही पार्टिसिपेंट ज्वाइन कर पाते हो जूम में ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है मुझे पता नहीं
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता।
नहीं 100 of participants
100 ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।
अरे इसमें पेड मेंबरशिप
100 people can join.
I'm the member of Zoom. So I have paid them. I have taken the membership. That's why we are working until so late. Otherwise, without paid, we can work only for 40 minutes.
Sir, even many schools also using this for their classes also.
इसमें 100 participants आराम से आ सकते हैं।
Yes, sir.
तो यही तो प्रॉब्लम है यार।
सर ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा ये लोगों को लग रहा है ये चाइनीज है तो जूम पे नहीं जाएंगे।
उनका बात है ना, अपने को क्या फर्क पड़ता है? देखो हम तो जूम पे आ गए, हम तो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, हम तो अपनी ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। वी आर वर्किंग, वी आर डेडिकेटिंग आवर टाइम एंड एनर्जी, बैठे सीख रहे, अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हैं। इफ दे आर कॉन्फिडेंट, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट, वो के फिनाले में दे कम एंड दे परफॉर्म देयर टास्क एंड दे गो।
सर एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है।
कौन
सर मंजू
जी बोलिए।
सर जैसे आज आपने थोड़ा सा हमारा वो लिया ना ये बोलने वाला कि मंजू लव माई सेल्फ और जो आपने आई विल प्रैक्टिस अंटिल आई एम द बेस्ट। सर ऐसे आप अगर थोड़ा रोज लेंगे ना तो मतलब रोज इन दी सेंस मतलब हर सेशन में लेंगे तो हम बहुत थोड़े ग्रूम्ड हो जाएंगे।
अभी तो मैंने वही बोला कि ना कल जो है कल पूरा आधा टाइम तो डेडिकेशन को है, मोनोलॉग को है।
यस
सर आपने आई लव का बोला है ना, तो कल के सेशन में भी आपको आई लव भी बोलना है और मोनोलॉग भी बोलना है। ये जो आई लव वाला जो सेंटेंस है ये हर अभी आपको मैं बता देता हूँ, एवरी सेशन एवरीबॉडी हैज टू से। जिसको मैं पॉइंट करूंगा बोलना पड़ेगा उसको 9 इमोशंस। Everybody has to say that one sentence in 9 emotions every time we meet.
Okay, sir. That's great.
चलो then.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye. See you. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.